Welcome all to yet another video Dr. RS and you on the science of cosmetics and personal care products. Today we are in part 127. This is going to be revision of acne. I have covered acne in detail in part 25 of this set of videos. So this is going to be just a revision, and if you want to get details you can go back to part 25 of this set of videos, right? How acne is caused. Every hair follicle is associated with sebaceous glands. Sebaceous glands secrete sebum, right? How? Sebaceous glands are holocrine glands, meaning sebaceous cells, gland cells, they produce sebum, it breaks down and releases sebum. And this sebum flows out through the sebaceous duct. Right? Now, how acne is caused? Acne is caused when the sebaceous gland in certain conditions become overactivated, and at the same time the sebaceous duct get hyperkeratinized, meaning sebaceous duct walls are made up of keratin cells, and sometimes these keratin cells become thickened and it blocks the sebaceous duct. Right? Two conditions. One, the sebaceous gland become hyperactivated, producing more sebum, and sebaceous duct get blocked. So what happens? The sebum will not flow out. It gets clogged inside and gets infected and leads to acne, right? This is the cause for acne. Now, acne or acne vulgaris is a skin problem that starts when sebaceous gland becomes overactive. Dead skin cells are keratin cells. Okay? Dead skin cells clog up sebaceous duct that arrest the flow of sebum and subsequently leading to infection. Common causes. There are a lot of causes which that I have discussed in part 25, but I am summarizing common causes. Increased androgen production. So the sebaceous activity process is mainly controlled by hormones. Overactivity or hyperresponsiveness of sebaceous glands in response to androgens. This is third is very, very important. Colonization of Propionibacterium acnes, which metabolizes sebum to free fatty acid, leading to inflammatory lesions. Contributory or predisposing factors, adolescence, where hormonal changes happen, and sometimes menstrual cycle, right? There are changes in hormones happens, there is a breakout of acne. There are various types of acne and pimples that I have discussed in part 25, but to summarize, they are called whiteheads, blackheads, papules, pustules, nodules, and cysts. Right? These are various forms of acne. Now, through a cosmetic product, how we can address acne? Acne can be addressed by cleansing regularly with mild cleansers containing keratolites like salicylic acid. Keep the area clean using mild cleansers containing keratolites. What keratolites do? It softens the keratin plug. I told you the sebaceous duct can get hyperkeratinized. So, keratolite softens that hyperkeratinized wall and allow the flow of sebum freely. See, when there is an excess production of sebum and the sebum flows freely out, you get oily skin, you will not get acne. Acne happens when sebum gets entrapped inside because of the hyperkeratinization of the sebaceous duct. So, simple way to address acne or prevent acne is regularly using mild cleansers, especially acne prone skin, using mild cleansers that contains keratinoids like salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a commonly used keratinoid in a acne control face wash. This is the most important way by addressing acne through a cosmetic product. There are some cosmeceuticals that have retin A, that's a acid form of vitamin A that helps to unplug blocked pores. Azelaic acid, right? Again, it has its own functions. So, these are some of the ways. Sometimes in pharmaceuticals, they use much more harsher keratinoids like benzoyl peroxide, right? So, this is how the acne is addressed, right? So, control of acne through prescription medicines, right? So, in extreme cases, stronger keratinoid preparations are suggested. Antibiotics are prescribed for external application and for internal use. In extreme cases, hormone therapy is also prescribed. Consult a dermatologist. Right? Thank you for listening to this video. If you want to get more details, you can go back to part 25 and see some of the aspects I have explained. Thank you.